people who live in Jakarta. The problem of Jakarta is number one, traffic jam. Number two is pollution, yeah, because a lot of factory and a lot of transportation. Number three is flood during every rainy season, especially December and January, because location of Jakarta is 8 meters above sea level. If Yogyakarta is 114 meters above sea level. Therefore, the last president, or president number 7 of Indonesia, President Jokowi, has planning to move the capital of Indonesia to Kalimantan Island next year. This year, yeah, because now it's only 2024. This year, maybe after finishing the election of president. But the investors now still thinking about it. They cannot do the speculation who is the next president, because if the next president has same mission with President Jokowi, so the capital will move to Kalimantan. But the next president has different mission with Mr. Jokowi, maybe will be cancelled. Therefore now the investors still waiting for who will be the next president. And the other reason of we will move our capital in Kalimantan because economical reason. You know, Jakarta is located in Western Indonesian time zone. Malaysia and Singapore is Greenwich plus 8. Therefore, Singapore and Malaysia 1 hour faster than Jakarta. Singapore, Malaysia, same the time zone in Hong Kong. Hong Kong is the business city in Asia. Therefore, to do the transaction, Jakarta lose 1 hour than Singapore and Malaysia. Yeah, because Singapore and Malaysia can open transaction after Hong Kong open the transaction in the same time. Kalimantan is located Greenwich time plus 8. Yeah, therefore, if capital of Indonesia from Jakarta move to Kalimantan, at least we will same time zone with Hong Kong. This will be better for economical increase, yeah, in Indonesia. Indonesia now lost than Singapore because Singapore is 1 hour win than Indonesia. Yeah, this is for economical reason. Because the cost to move the capital also not only small money, it is really big money. Yeah, therefore the investors still thinking about it. Very a lot of cost to move the capital of Indonesia. This is the way to Central Java Province, Magelang Regency. So the way is called national street, national road. Yeah. So you can see a lot of number of the transportation B and Z like that. The local transportation is AB. AB is local Yogyakarta. Motorcycle AB, but for the cars BB from Jakarta. Because this is the national road until Jakarta. And by car like this, until Jakarta will need around 11 hours. Because Java Island 1,100 kilometers long from Surabaya until Jakarta. This is 1,100 kilometers long. So from Yogyakarta to Jakarta, if by train is 8 hours, by car 11 hours. From Yogyakarta to Surabaya 6 hours by train, yeah, and 8 hours by car. And now there is highway street. It's only need around 8 hours to Jakarta or 6 hours to Surabaya or East Indonesia. I'm talking about motorcycle. When you check the brand of motorcycle in Indonesia, the majority made in Japan. Made in Japan, Honda number 1, Yamaha number 2, Suzuki number 3, Kawasaki number 4. Because Honda has a lot of service station and also the spare part. For the car is Toyota, right? Left side is Toyota, left side, and then the next is the Honda. Yeah, this is Honda. Honda for Honda car and Honda motorcycle. Indonesian big factory, Astra World, and this one is Daihatsu. Toyota, Honda, and Daihatsu merger in one big factory in Indonesia. It is called Astra World or Astra International. Astra International unit for Toyota the car, and Daihatsu car, and Honda car, and Honda motorcycle. The motorcycle 125cc engine. So now is the new product for 160cc engine. The new product. Its price is around 30 million rupiah for 160cc. 125 is 24 million rupiah. Therefore, very big. So we need a lot of gasoline because the engine, the cc is very big. But possible to ride 3-in-1. 3-in-1, it means 2 adult, 1 children. If 3 adult is not allowed, we will be stopped by the policeman. Why you ride 3 person? Yeah, because 1 person is still children. It's possible because 20 years old children of Indonesia still looks 15 years old because more. Never saw the ID. How old are you? Selamat datang. Welcome. How are you? Selamat datang. How are you? How old are you? How old are you? Berapa usia? How old are you? Berapa usia? How old are you? In Indonesia, to get the driving license at least 17 years old, yeah? 17 years old, yeah, we have driving license and we will ride the motorcycle by ourselves. But 20 years old, I said, Indonesian children still small, maybe looks 15 years old is like. Left side statue. This is one of the soldier of Sultan Kingdom, Sultanate Empire. Yeah, because the Sultanate Empire of Yogyakarta has 10 group of the soldier. One group contain of 40 person. So 40 multiplied by 10. Yeah, 400 soldier with different uniform. That is one of the uniform. Yeah, the uniform. Yeah, the name is in Java. Yeah, like we call it as Wiro Projo. Yeah, in Java is Wiro Projo. So the name of the location is Wiro Brajan. Wiro Projo is the name of the soldier, but Wiro Brajan the name of the location. Wirosobo, the name of the Sudan, Wirosaban, yeah. It is the name of the location. Yeah, like I said you, the cemetery Mahesa. Mahesa is buffalo. Mahesan is looks or imitation buffalo is like that. You put on the grave of the Javanese cemetery.
They combine between the Malayu and Sanskrit.
Bahasa ya. The Java, bahasa almost infused by Sanskrit.
Apa?
Java.
Java.
Ya, Sanskrit. Ya, only pronunciation. Kalau siapa yang want to say Yogyakarta, and Java juga Jakarta. Pronunciation different. Surabaya, Surabaya. Yeah, we are just talking about languages in Indonesia, yeah? Because Indonesia consists of 17 million island. I don't know the name all 17 million because very difficult to 17 million. Yeah, 17. Oh, sorry, 17,000. Yeah. Sorry, 17,000 island. Sorry, 17,000 island from 300 ethnic groups. Yeah. Every group has one ethnic languages. Yeah, the biggest one is Java ethnic groups, 35%. Yeah, we speak Javanese, and 15% is Sundanese. Sundanese, they live in West Java, close to Jakarta. Jakarta is yeah, Sundanese is Bandung, Bogor, where is this? Banten, saya Sundanese ya. 15% from total Indonesian population, and 6% are Balinese, and then 5% are Malayu Polynesia. Yeah, is spoken by middle part of Sumatra and west part of Kalimantan. Yeah, this is Sumatra, middle part of Sumatra, because north part of Sumatra is Banda Aceh, like Malay but more Arabic. And then after Banda Aceh, a little bit to the southern is Batak. Yeah, this is very temperament people. Yeah, therefore almost all the Batak ethnic group in Indonesia has profession as the lawyer. Lawyer is very aggressive, yeah? Very aggressive and very temperament like that. It's not the lawyer. It's not lawyer if not temperament is not suitable to become the lawyer. Yeah? And then Malay spoken by middle part of Sumatra and the west part of Kalimantan, around 5%. Yeah. I want to tell you about why bahasa Indonesia taken from Malay, but because Malay is the most simple ethnic language in Indonesia. During the Dutch government period, there was no Indonesian yet. Sumatra people, Jawa people, Bali people, Kalimantan people, all different language and all were under the rule of the Dutch. So how to get free, try to get independent? Yeah, we need same language to make simple communication. Therefore, the young men from every island, from Sumatra, the young men from Sumatra, the young men from Kalimantan, the young men from Java, the young men from Bali make the meeting. The meeting discuss about we need same language to be spoken by all of us. So the Javan said, okay, please, Java recognized as Indonesian national language because Java spoken by 30% 35% of total of Indonesian. Yeah, this is okay. But the problem is Japanese is very difficult to be learned because in Japanese has polite language level 1, level 2, level 3. Yeah, we need long time to study, but we need the most simple language. So number 2, Sunda. Sundanese. Okay, please Sunda. Sunda is the most romantic language. This is still very difficult. So Bali, the pronunciation is like India. This is also very difficult to be spoken by all of Indonesian. For example, I want to tell you the what is this? The accent. The accent. Coroko dodoso, because Hana Caraka Data Sawala, it is Sanskrit. But in Java, Hono Coroko dodoso. It's like that. But Indonesia, bahasa, the alphabet influenced by Dutch language. Therefore, Indonesian alphabet is not A, B, C, D, no, but A, B, C, D, F. Therefore,
Look like alphabet of France.
yeah, French or Spanish or Italian.
26 letters.
Yeah.
26 letters.
26 letters. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, E, Z. Yeah. 26 letters. Yeah.
We also have 26 letters inherited from Portuguese.
Portuguese. So,
Portuguese.
A, B, C as well, yeah? A, B,
A,
C.
B, C.
Oh, yeah. A, B, C. Oh, yeah.
A, B, C.
So, sometimes we use double consonant. Double consonant. K and H to say her. This is influenced by Arabic. For example, the name of somebody, Hoirul. Hoirul actually, this is Arabic name, but no alphabet in Hoirul in Java, in bahasa. Therefore, K plus H double. Therefore, bahasa influenced by Arabic also. Sanskrit. But yes, from 6th century the Sanskrit language brought by the expert from India, the expert of Hindu, and influenced by Buddhist as well from India. But not everybody can write and can read. Only the monk or the public, because they don't go to school. They didn't go to school. Therefore, for the relief of temple, we see the relief of temple before. The picture, this is some property actually, property to explain about the substance of the Buddhism knowledge that was taken from Sanskrit. Because local people could not speak Sanskrit, only the monk or the Brahmin of Hindu can speak Sanskrit.
Usually the young people now read Arabic. They read Arabic.
Yeah, because 83% of Indonesia are Muslim. We can read, we can write Arabic, but more people don't know the meaning. Yeah, do you know the meaning of Arabic? We have to be explained by the expert, by Ustad. Ustad is like teacher of Muslim. Yeah, like before, only the monk and the Brahmin can speak Sanskrit. They explain about the substance of the Buddhism scripture and Hinduism scripture to the public people. If royal family, I think they can speak because royal family has teacher, private teacher. Therefore, the name of the royal family use the name of the god as well. Like King Indra. Indra actually the name of the god of Hindu. the god of rain, yeah, the god of rain and the god of fighting is Indra. And title of the king of Yogyakarta, Sultanate Empire, is Sultan. Sultan is Muslim king, and Hamengku. Hamengku is holding. Buwono means the earth. Hamengku Buwono. So you said me, you tell me about Paku Alam before. Paku actually is Nil, yeah, Nil. Alam is the earth. The Nil of the earth is like that. This is also Paku Alam. Title of Vice Governor of Yogyakarta Province. But it is before actually the administration under the king. Yeah? The king is Sultan, but under the Sultan has some administration like national and then become province. That is called Paku Alaman. Paku Alaman is the name of the government. Paku Alam is the name of the leader. Kasultanan, the name of the kingdom. Sultan is the name of the leader.
A lot of lava storm.
Oh yeah.
You can share some information about the handicraft of the lava storm.
Yeah, this is the way to Borobudur temple, and the way back, yeah, from Borobudur as well. There says actually souvenir. The material made of volcanic stone that were taken from the river Gangosova from here, and the river directly from Merapi volcano, because Merapi is the most active volcano in Indonesia. Not only now, start from long time ago, maybe 1,300 years ago. Therefore, a lot of temple in Central Java and Yogyakarta made of volcanic stone, because skill to create the carving from grandfather continued by the father, continued by the son until the next generation. We still do the skill as the stone carving, so we created as the original souvenir, yeah, from Borobudur and from Yogyakarta. But the problem is this is too heavy. When you want to bring it home, bring it home, you can order now, and the thing will send to you, yeah, maybe by ship or like that. But sometimes no, yeah, 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 of course, sometimes the price is more expensive to send. Is more expensive than the price of the thing, sometimes like that. Therefore, better you buy many, and then the sending price will be more, it will be cheaper than the original price.
Thì để salad, chỗ cái chợ bán về cái trái da rắn này, nguyên một cái chợ này mà nó đặc sản của cái vùng này, rất là rẻ.
Salak is snake fruits. Snake. Yeah, because the skin is like the skin of the snake. The raw meat of the snake fruits. It's all the year, not depend on the season. So
All the year.
no, all the year. Therefore, every day available. Therefore, the price very cheap. Maybe 1 kilogram is only 10,000 rupiah.
Very cheap.
Yeah. For mango, durian, depend on the season.
Then I say some information